Ever have this problem? No water. What are we gonna do? I YouTubed and it was a special tool the guy had. We'll see if what I'm gonna try is gonna work. And use a syringe and just blast the ice out with hot water. Let's see. Okay, so how do you know that your water line is clogged? You take a zip tie and you put it up. And if it won't go up any further, like this one's won't go up all the way, it means I've got an ice clog. So I got a normal syringe. I'm just waiting for my water to boil, and then we will try. Okay, so I got a mug full of hot water. I got my syringe. I'm gonna start just getting a full syringe, get it in the tube, and just squirt.
Okay, full syringe, get it in the tube, and just squirt. Keep going until I get until I release. Clog, let's hope it works.
There we go. Oh. Did you catch that? And there, my friends, is the ice chunk that got me in the eye. And now we got water.